first, Galdabini had little meaning to others, but over the time it has become to be a looking forward entity built by people, brilliant people that are ready to innovate. All of this became a reality in 1890 and started from the strong pioneering spirit of my great-grandmother Emilia. I know that she would be most proud in what we have all achieved. Galdabini made its way in the marketplace by designing and producing industrial machinery, eventually leading to all our products marketed today, namely automatic straightening machines, hydraulic presses and lines, and universal tensile testing machines. Machine production begins with project design, continues in the workshops to manufacture the essential parts of a single machine. This is a fairly common thread in life and has many direct comparisons, as Michelangelo and his marble. Our production halls are dedicated to machine assembly, where each activity is planned and organized according to current lean manufacturing processes. Whilst manufacturing, we never forget the respect for our environment. A modern example are the solar panels installed on our factory roof, which provides our total electricity requirements. Our products are also designed to be eco-sustainable. All of us are focused on customer satisfaction. This is our #1 priority. We always try to do our best, and this is synonymous with Galdabini's reputation for innovation, quality and reliability, always. I am proud to tell the tale and live the Galdabini reality. To collaborate every day with those who, with great passion and commitment, fill my eyes with bright orange that lights up in thousands of installations worldwide.